First concept comes in our mind, what is computer? Computer is an electronic machine that takes instructions from us and gives the result after processing. It means we can give any instruction to computer, for example 2, 4, plus, and computer will process that instruction, and after processing give us result as output, like 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. So this is how a computer works. Now, concept of counting. In the ancient time, people used to count with the help of stones, pebbles, bones, sticks, fingers, toes, etc., and store the information by making marks on the wall, pillar, rocks, etc. In the course of time, it became difficult to do vigor and complex calculation with such objects. So people started thinking of some kind of devices which could make their task easier. So the first calculating device, abacus, was invented. Abacus was the first calculating device invented by 5000 years ago by the Chinese. It performs simple calculation like addition and subtraction. Now, question arises about multiplication and multiplication and division. So another device invented called Napier's bone. Napier bones was invented by Scottish mathematician John Napier in 1617. It was meant for simple calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of numbers. It was improved to perform division and to find the square root. Later on, another device called Pascaline invented. Pascaline was invented by French mathematician named Blaise Pascal in 1642. This was the first mechanical computing machine. It was consisted of a box with movable gears that could add, subtract, multiply, and divide the numbers easily. The principle of Pascaline is still used today in water meter, odometer, and speedometer. In 1692, another device was invented called Leibniz calculator. The more advanced calculating machine named Step-Reckoner was developed by Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz. It could perform all basic mathematical operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Later on, another device was invented which is called Babbage Analytical Engine. In 1822, Charles Babbage developed a machine known as difference engine. It could perform mathematical operation automatically. Babbage had a better idea and stopped working on difference engine and started designing another machine called Babbage Analytical Engine. In 1833, Babbage developed another machine called Analytical Engine. It had all 5 key features, that is input, storage, processor, control unit, and an output device. As we can see in our daily computer, we have all 5 features like input, storage, processor, control unit, and an output device. Therefore, Charles Babbage is also known as father of computer. That is why we call him the father of computer. Later on, another machine was discovered which is called tabulating machine. Tabulating machine was invented by an army engineer Herman Hollerith in 1890. This machine was used in USA in census to count the population of USA. Tabulating machine was so successful that Hollerith formed a company that later became famous as the International machine or IBM. The first electromechanical computer. The first electromechanical computer was Mark I. Howard Aikens built the first electromechanical computer named Mark I. This computer was 51 feet long, weighed 5 tons, and used typewriter for input and punched card for output. This device was the first in a real sense. The first electronic computer. First electronic computer was ENIAC. It means Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. John Moseley and John Presper Eckert together built the successful electronic digital computer known as ENIAC in 1946. ENIC was 10 feet wide, 100 feet long, and occupied 1800 square feet of area, and it could perform 5,000 additions per second. In 1951, both developed another successful computer known as UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Computer. It could handle both numeric and textual information. Now, finally comes our personal computer. In 1984, IBM company introduced a personal computer called PC-80. 80 means advanced technology. These computers were small in size, fast in speed, accurate, and reliable. There are several types of personal computers available nowadays. For example, desktop, laptop, tablet, PC, etc. So this is how a computer comes in existence. Thank you and welcome. Thank you.